Hi all, today's video I'm going to show you the real-time practical demonstration of programming part 1. If you have not watched part 1 then please watch it first. Okay, let us start. Entering programming mode. First press program then star hash 1234. 1234 is the default password from Panasonic. Now we can see system program number in display. Program number for date and time is 000. See here date and time set. Press speakerphone. Now you can change year by using phone's keypad numbers. Then month. Month you can change by using auto answer key. And then day also change by using keypads. After that you can change days by using auto answer button. Then need to change the time in hours and minutes by using keypads. After that you can change AM or PM can be changed by using auto answer key. After all these need to store data by using auto dial button. Now you have executed your first program successfully. Once you store your program, then press hold button to go back to system program number menu. Okay. Next program CO line connection. Program number 400. CO connection. Then press speakerphone. You can see in display CO number. Here you can press 1 or speakerphone again. See now CO1 connect. In this you can see up to 8 CO lines connected. You only need to do is that how many CO lines you have present. Okay, at present how many CO lines you have, connect these lines and rest need to disconnect by using auto answer button and store it by using auto dial button. Okay. Next program is dial mode. Come back to system program number menu by pressing hold button and press program number 401. Then press speakerphone again or 1. Now you can see pulse mode. Need to change this to DTMF mode, dual tone multi-frequency mode. For this you have to only do active connected lines to DTMF mode. Rest of them you can keep it like pulse mode as default. Okay. Outward dialing daytime program number 405. In this you can allow the extension number users for outgoing call. Now we can set up restriction for CO1 lines users. Here you can see #01 enabled. That means outgoing for daytime allowed for 101 extension. Similarly, you can disable or enable by using auto answer button and store it by using auto dial button up to 24 extension users. Okay. Next program, outward dialing nighttime. Program number 406. The same method of programming which we can use as we did it before for nighttime. You can enable or disable whatever you need, you can do it. Okay. Next program, outward dialing lunch time. Program number 407. Here also the same method you can use it. Next program, incoming ringing daytime. Program number 408. Here we can setting up how we are going to receive incoming call. Here I am going to use extension 101 for receiving incoming calls and rest of all will be disabled. Next program, incoming call night time. Program number 409. We can do the program method as before, like where you need to land incoming calls, you can enable that particular number. Rest of them you can keep it like disabled. incoming call lunchtime. Program number 410.
Okay.
410. Okay. Please do the methods as before. Next program, delayed ringing daytime. Program number 411 411. Delayed ringing means if you need to allow ringing into different phones in different times, that means first ring will comes to 101 extension and after 5 second or 10 second ring goes to 102. In these situations, you need to enable 101 and 102 in incoming call day night lunch time. After that, in delayed program here, you can set up delay time like 5 second, 10 second or 15 second as you need. Okay, then store your data.
Sorry. 5 second, 10 second, 15 second. Okay.
Next program, delayed ringing night. Okay, program number 412 412, the same program which we did it for daytime, delayed daytime, the same we can use it over here. Next program, delayed ringing lunchtime. The same program method you can use it here also for your delayed incoming receiving calls and all. These are all the basic programming which we gone through in Panasonic KX-TES824. For more programming, please wait for part 3. Thank you.